Walsall tenants, if you're looking for a 3-bedroom semi-detached house, I think we've found the ideal property for you. The perfect accommodation is behind me. Your search stops here. So we'll do, as we usually do, a walkthrough video tour of the property and show you around. This is a brand new development in the Locks. It's called the Lockside development, just about half a mile away from the Walsall town centre in that direction. You've got the Bloxwich High Street in that direction. This property is a 3-bedroom semi. You will be the first person to be residing in the property. It's absolutely fresh, brand new, nothing has been used. So as you can see, we go through the front, and there's also a side entrance to the back over here. There's parking for 2 spaces. Here we have an EV charger. Your gas and electric meters are over here, and the entrance to the back is through there. So okay, we'll take you through into the property. Okay, as you come in from the entrance hallway, we've got the downstairs toilet, which if the camera comes in, we'll show you around on the inside. Like we said, it's all completely fresh. This is the downstairs WC cloakroom. You've got, this looks like a hive system for the central heating controls. Obviously the stairs go up to the first floor, and then you come into this brilliant room, one of my favourite colour combination of the kitchens. The kitchen diner, grey, mauve, dark blue, kind of like what I'm wearing today. Right, so this is obviously your lounge. However you want to configure it, there's options, but I think the main focal point will be over there, because this power kind of sockets and your TV aerial point is over here. But there's plenty of sockets on all the other walls as well. So it depends how you wish to configure the room. And just close out this door. I'll show you this cloakroom in a second. So over this section, you can see from there, you've got like a breakfast bar. You can put a couple of stools over here. So if you don't want a dining table and that taking up any space, you've got that option to do that. And then in this kitchen, you've got integrated appliances. So here we have the fridge freezer, obviously the grill at the top and oven at the bottom. There is a dishwasher here as well. The only appliance that the property doesn't come with is washing machine, which will go into here. So your choice of washing machine, what you wish to bring. This one houses the combination boiler. Okay. Then you've got your hob, extractor, lots of space. These are all soft close drawers and base units. Everything is all nice and soft close. So that's basically your downstairs, and what we've got left to show you is this downstairs cloakroom. Understairs, hats, coats, shoes can go in here. It also houses the electrical consumer unit, and what looks like the open reach connection is over here as well. Okay, and out to the garden. It's a lovely afternoon, and you can see from there just how the sun is falling onto the garden section. So it's about what's the time now? 1:30 in the afternoon. Lovely kind of southeasterly facing garden that we've got, and because it's a semi-detached, you've got that extra kind of space on that side. Got a nice little patio area here, and as you go down the steps, that's where you go out to your back entrance to the car park as well. So you can park your car, come along and into the house through the back end as well. Okay, bit blustery today. We'll go back inside. Okay, so what we've got left to show you is the upstairs. Really nice. It's got a really good feel about this place as well. All the smoke alarms and heat sensors, everything are in place. We'll start off with this room. This is your single room. It's not a box room, which in traditional semis you kind of get these box rooms where you can't really open up your arms, you can't really do much with it. But you've got, you know, a socket point here. You could put a single bed along here if you wanted to, or turn it into an office. You know, whatever it is that takes your fancy. That's your small room, and there's two double rooms. This is what I would call the master, because it has the ensuite connected over on that side. New build, I think what they've thought about is the sockets and switches, which is what I like, because we're always struggling for not enough sockets and switches. So you've got a couple of doubles here, probably for the bed along here. There's a TV aerial point in that place as well. That looks like a Virgin Media connection as well. So I think there's both BT and Virgin Media here as well. And then of course, a lovely ensuite to go with this bedroom. Okay, all kind of ready to move in. From the landing, we've got the front bedroom, a good size, decent double. It's kind of deceptive with these new builds. A lot of people come in and say, oh, it looks a bit small. But actually, when you look at the floor space, you've got the low ceilings, that gives you that deception of it's not that big. But you can actually get a nice double bed here. You can put a wardrobe over here or a dressing table. You've got options with this bedroom. Again, lots of sockets and switches. And as the camera goes out, you can see the family bathroom. Nice modern lines throughout, kind of a floating wash and basin. Right, just one last thing to show you guys, and that is the landing that's got a cupboard. And it's not often that you get a light fitting with it as well, so that's quite nice. Okay, so that's the entirety of the property. We'll just finish off the video over here. Thank you very much for watching. If this is something that interests you and you'd like to rent it out, you can make all the inquiries. All the links will be in the description below. Please feel free to make your inquiries directly via the website, through email or through the contact telephone number. And we look forward to doing a physical viewing with you on this side of the camera. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye-bye.